eggs in a bowl, beat it. Add 1 big onion and salt. Add 5 chopped green chilies and few coriander leaves. Mix well. Add instant cooked noodles into the egg mixture. Mix well. Heat 2 tablespoons desi ghee or butter. Once heated, add the egg mixture. Cook for few minutes. Grate 2 cubes of cheese. Add it. Top it with vegetables, tomato and capsicum. Check whether it is cooked. Flip it over with help of plate. Transfer it into pan. Cover with lid. Flip it over and transfer it into the serving plate. Thanks for watching. See you next time.